Buongiorno, benvenuti, and congratulations on your pending assignment to Vicenza, Italy. Our clinic team wanted to put together a helpful video to allow you to understand the medical care and coverage here in Vicenza, in Italy, and overall in Europe. My name is Lieutenant Colonel Brian Bender, and I am the Health Clinic Commander here in Vicenza. And so our team looks forward to welcoming you here to Vicenza to take care of you, and we just wanted to lay out things that you can expect here in Italy. An assignment to Italy is a great opportunity, both professionally and personally. The Italians are wonderful when it comes to culture, food and drink, and overall chances to travel and enjoy the environment here in Europe. And so with that, we wanted to talk a little bit more about the healthcare that you could expect here in Vicenza. So I normally talk about 4 things, but today I'm going to talk about 5 things, and this is how I build some suspense. So I'm going to talk about primary care and what we have to offer here in our clinic. I will talk about referrals to specialty care. I'll talk about what to expect when expecting here, emergency rooms, and then finally I'll touch on dental. So back to number 1. So first of all, our primary care clinic is the centerpiece of our health clinic, and we call that our patient-centered medical home. And so with that, we have many care teams ready to assist you. Overall, we take care of and serve over 12,000 patients here in the Vicenza military community. And we have patient care teams ready to take care of you and your family when you arrive here. Again, mostly primary care, but we also have other specialties here in our clinic beyond family medicine, pediatrics, and internal medicine. Things like a dermatology clinic, a robust physical and occupational health clinic. We also have a embedded and multidisciplinary behavioral health clinic and an Army Wellness Center all inside. We also have a rotating orthopedic surgeon and general surgeon that come down from Aviano Air Base. And so that's what you can expect here as far as our day-to-day things that we have to offer here within our health clinic. We also have specialty care on the network, so this brings up number 2. And so, what can you expect? So if you can't be taken care of here for all the specialty items, then we will refer you to our local healthcare network. We've been working with our Italian partners here in Vicenza since the 1950s. And so we have established a great rapport and relationship with our network partners. A majority of the care is delivered at San Bortolo Hospital downtown in Vicenza. San Bortolo is a Veneto, which is this region, medical center that takes care of the Vicenza province, which encompasses 312,000 people. They have over 30 specialties and over 900 inpatient beds. So this is one of the biggest facilities you'll find in this part of Italy. And so with that, I'd also like to highlight the fact that the oldest medical schools in the world are actually here in Italy, not too far from here, one being in Bologna and the other one in Padova. So I think you'll find that the quality of care is the same as what you would find in the United States. The experience of care may be somewhat different, and that's where we also have our patient liaisons that are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, on call for you to be able to help you navigate the healthcare system here in Italy. And so that is a lot of the referrals that we'll do off base to both San Bortolo and to other clinics here in the Vicenza area. But then also another option for your specialty care needs might be to go TDY to Landstuhl Regional Medical Center in Germany. They serve as our higher headquarters and the next level of care within our military health system. And so we have an available bus that goes up there 2 times a week to be able to deliver patients to Landstuhl, have their care rendered, and then return back to Vicenza. So that was the second thing, and that was specialty care. The third thing would be, are you expecting or do you plan to be expecting? So next we're going to talk about babies. And so I will tell you that having a baby in Italy is a fun and an exciting thing. And because, again, the oldest medical schools are here in Italy, a majority of our women will elect to give birth at San Bortolo Hospital. And so that's approximately 75% of deliveries to be exact. And so when you go to San Bortolo, they have actually created a US only outpatient obstetrics clinic next to their hospital. And so it's got reserved parking and everything is in English. The staff speak English. And feedback from some patients is actually they enjoy the OB experience here in Italy more so than they did in the United States. And so You'll get your care there at San Bortolo, and then when you go to deliver, San Bortolo has embraced a lot of the same things you would see in the United States as far as what they call a pain-free delivery. In other words, the pain management techniques you find here at San Bortolo Hospital would be the same that you would find in the United States. So what I'd like to say at the end of this is, don't worry, it's all okay here in Vicenza. Now, another option for delivery could be to Aviano Air Base, which is located to our northeast at about just under 2 hours. And so you can also receive your OB care there and then do what they call stork nesting at Aviano Air Base at about approximately week 38. So you would go to Aviano and spend your time there until the delivery and then recovery, and then you come back here. And with either option, we do the follow-up care for pediatrics here within our clinic with our three pediatricians on staff here at the Vicenza Army Health Clinic. So that was number 3. Number 4, emergency room visits. I have to tell you that the gremlins are out there, and the way to ward off gremlins is to be prepared. And so know where your nearest emergency room is. And so whether that's here in Italy or anywhere in Europe, just know your surroundings and be able to get there. And so here in Vicenza, the most capable and closest emergency room here to our bases is San Bortolo Hospital. They're located about 10 to 15 minutes away, and so my advice is always know where it is, do a rehearsal, and plug it into your GPS, because any emergency situation is going to be stressful enough, and so you don't need navigating Italy or Italian roads to add to an already nerve-wracking situation. So just know where your emergency room is, and remember, our patient liaisons are there to take care of you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can give them a call and they can help you out if and when you have to use that service.
Alle nostre liaison, and you'll be able to help him with what he's going to be doing soon. So we'll have him go wait outside for just a minute right now.
You can wait outside.
Okay?
All right, and so now to number 5, it's our dental care. And so while the dental clinic is not a part of our health clinic per se, they are co-located in the same beautiful building, arguably one of the most beautiful buildings in all of Army medicine, and we're very proud of that. But our dental teammates are located inside the clinic next door to us, and you can find that they'll primarily serve our active duty service members and then see active duty family members on a space available basis. And also, TRICARE provides health insurance or dental insurance specific so that you can be seen on the network if need be by many high qualified dentists here in the Vicenza military community. And then I'm going to add one last thing, is to talk about our Sky Soldiers assigned to Del Din will be seen at the Consolidated Troop Medical Clinic, or CTMC, there on Del Din. That is staffed primarily by the 173rd Sky Soldier medical professionals, and you'll find primary care, lab x-ray, limited pharmacy, and also physical therapy. And again, that's to serve the Sky Soldiers where they live and work on Caserma Del Din. Everything I just described you can also find on our website, as well as our Facebook page at U.S. Army Health Center Vicenza. And so please get on Facebook and like us, and then you'll be able to find all this information along with other great updates at your fingertips at a moment's notice. So again, on behalf of the team here at the U.S. Army Health Clinic Vicenza, we want to say congratulations on your pending assignment to Italy, and we look forward to welcoming you soon. Thank you.